In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change cell color with the checkbox in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a sheet where checking a box instantly changes a cell's background color. This makes it easy to track tasks, approvals, or anything that needs a quick visual cue. First, let's get started by opening your Google Sheets file. Take a moment to think about which cells you want to change color when a checkbox is checked. With your mouse, highlight that range. Be precise in this step. Include as many rows as you think you might need now, which will save you the hassle of updating the rule later on. Once you've highlighted your desired cells, look to the menu at the top and click on Format. From the drop-down options, pick Conditional Formatting. This will open up a panel on the right. In this panel, we'll set up a rule that reacts to your checkbox. Conditional formatting is a powerful tool that enables Google Sheets to change the style of a cell only when a specific condition is met, which is just perfect for checkbox-driven highlights. Now let's move on to the Conditional Format Rules panel. Here, you'll want to find the rule type dropdown and select is not equal to. We're going to tap into this condition to sort out the state of a checkbox. In Google Sheets, a checked box evaluates to true, and an unchecked one evaluates to false. Enter true in the value field that appears. This ensures that when the checkbox is checked, the condition you've set up gets met. If your checkbox and the cell you want to format happen to be the same, then this rule works seamlessly. However, if your setup isn't the same, make sure the formatted cell holds the checkbox value, allowing it to see true when the checkbox is checked. With that done, it's time to decide how the cell should look when the box is checked. Click the Fill Color option and select a color that really stands out to you, perhaps green for completed tasks or yellow for ones pending. A quick tip: you can also tweak the text color to ensure everything stays easy to read. Take a quick glance at the Apply to Range field to confirm it still matches the cells you initially highlighted. When you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Done. It's always a good idea to test out your new setup immediately. Check one of the boxes in your selected range. The cell should instantly change to the color you picked. If it doesn't, double check that you highlighted the correct cells and that the rule is set to is not equal to with true in the value field. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a clear, checkbox-driven visual indicator using conditional formatting in Google Sheets. If you ever need to make tweaks or expand the range as your needs grow, just head back to Format, then Conditional Formatting, and make your adjustments.